Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Frequency. A group of women or girls joined together by common interests, for fellowship, etc. The definition of a sorority is a social club for females, typically at a college or university, where the girls call each other sisters and do activities together. Alpha Phi is an example of a sorority.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sorority girls are typically high maintenance and very uppity. Most are white middle and upper middle class girls that are spoiled and extremely materialistic. These bleach blondes are extremely loud and spend most of their time shopping and partying with frat boys.
Let's help you make your mark.
Frat boy. U.S. informal, often disapproving. Frat B, us, frat B. A young man who belongs to a college fraternity, and who behaves in the noisy or silly way that is thought to be typical of fraternity members. He had been out drinking with the frat boys.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.